Have you ever looked into the golden eyes of an orange tabby cat and wondered what makes them so special? Maybe you've noticed that most of these fiery-furred felines are male, or perhaps you've been charmed by their supposedly friendly nature. Whatever it is, orange tabby cats have a way of capturing our hearts. And today, we're diving deep into what makes these cats so unique. First off, let's talk about something you might have already noticed about your own orange tabby: their distinct stripes. Every orange tabby cat, whether they have bold tiger-like stripes or softer, more subtle ones, carries these patterns as part of their genetic makeup. It's fascinating to realize that the gene responsible for their beautiful orange coat also dictates these mesmerizing stripes, ensuring that every orange tabby has its own unique look. But here's something that might surprise you. This vibrant orange color isn't tied to any one breed. From the fluffy Persian to the sleek Abyssinian, orange tabbies can be found across various cat breeds, each showcasing that fiery fur in their own special way. This diversity highlights how nature's creativity knows no bounds when it comes to painting the feline world. Now, did you know that the same pigment that gives orange tabby cats their color is also responsible for red hair in humans? It's called pheomelanin, and it's one of the many wonders of genetics. This shared pigment is a beautiful example of how nature uses the same palette across different species, connecting us in unexpected ways. Moving on, you might wonder why most orange tabby cats are male. The answer lies in their chromosomes. The gene for orange fur is located on the X chromosome. Since males have only one X chromosome, they need just one copy of this gene to turn out orange. Females, however, have two X chromosomes and require two copies of the orange gene to sport that same fiery coat. This is why around 80% of all orange tabby cats are male, a quirky yet fascinating genetic fact. Now let's address one of the most endearing traits often associated with orange tabbies: their personalities. There's a common belief that orange tabbies are friendlier and more affectionate than other cats. And while it might seem like a stereotype, there could be some truth behind it. Studies suggest that male cats, in general, may be slightly more sociable and friendly, which might explain why so many people find their orange tabbies to be such affectionate companions. But remember, just like us, every cat is an individual. Their personality is shaped by their environment, upbringing, and unique experiences. So while your orange tabby might be a cuddle enthusiast, another could be more independent or even a bit mischievous. It's important to appreciate each cat's unique quirks and charms, orange or otherwise. Speaking of unique, have you ever noticed that almost every orange tabby has a mysterious M shape on their forehead? This mark, prominent on orange tabbies due to their bright fur, has been the subject of many legends. Some say it's a blessing from ancient gods, while others believe it's a sign of intelligence. In reality, it's simply a natural part of their genetic makeup, but it certainly adds a bit of magic to their look. And if you've spent time with an orange tabby, you might have noticed that they tend to be quite vocal. Whether it's a purr, a meow, or those adorable chirping sounds they make while watching birds, these cats are not shy about expressing themselves. This chatter isn't just random noise. It's their way of connecting with you, letting you know how they feel, or simply saying, "Hey, I'm here, and I want your attention." Another interesting aspect of orange tabbies is their size. You may have noticed that these cats often seem a bit larger than their non-orange counterparts. Male orange tabbies, in particular, tend to be bigger and heavier. This could be linked to their need for social dominance or survival strategies, but for us, it just means more cat to love. Lastly, let's talk about the variety in their orange color. Have you ever noticed that some orange tabbies have a pale, almost cream color, while others have a deep, rich tangerine hue? This variation in shade adds to their uniqueness, making each orange tabby a one-of-a-kind companion with their own special charm. So, whether it's their striking looks, curious genetics, or warm personalities, orange tabby cats are truly one of a kind. They bring a little extra sunshine into our lives, and for those of us lucky enough to share our homes with them, they're nothing short of family. If you're as enchanted by these orange beauties as I am, why not subscribe and join our community? We've got plenty more feline facts and fun to share, and who knows, maybe your next best friend is waiting for you at a local shelter, just ready to bring a little more orange into your life. And speaking of feline companions, have you ever wondered if your cat would actually protect you in a time of need? It's a question many cat owners have, and in our next video, we'll be diving into the instincts and behaviors that might just make your cat your best protector. Be sure to check it out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.